Hi Rebecca, this is Sister McMurray. So your question has me pretty concerned about what you know about iLearn 3. So I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff you probably know, some of it sounds like you don't know. But here's what you need to do. So when you come to the class, here's the announcements page. You can always get to the announcements page by clicking up here on the heading of our class, Psych 112. Click on this. It will bring you to the announcements page. The announcements are here, and each week I post about what assignments we have and what's going on. I make a little video, and if you've missed it and you need to go back, which you have, you've missed some weeks, you should go down to the bottom and show all announcements, and then start at the bottom. The bottom will be the very first announcement that I posted, which was an introduction to the class. Here's a video of me. Here's talking about the class. Here's an introduction video about iLearn, which you really should watch because it will help you know what you need to do. And then here's like purchasing the book. Okay, this is about discussion boards. Here is a announcement about lesson 1 and 2. So here's a video that I've made about all the stuff in lesson 1. It will go through where to find the assignments. It explains about the assignments. Here are chapters 1 and 11 from that lesson, and here's lesson 2. I don't post all of the chapters, but for the first week I did. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you scroll up to the next one. Here are the due dates for lesson 1, and then I've got lessons 3 and 4, and here's a video for 3, and here's a career placement test, just a funny video, and then here's lesson 4. Alright, so all those videos will help you know what's going on. Another thing that you need to do is, you probably looked at these tabs. Content is a tab that you should go to when you're ready to do work. So number 1, come and read the table of contents. That's not that important. Read the welcome. Here is the syllabus. Here are university policies. Here is week 1. So you've done lesson 1. Each lesson you should come through and you should just click through them. So one way to do it is just to come to the lesson notes and then the questions and conversations. Questions and conversations is an open discussion board where you can just ask me and ask the other students about your comments, or about questions you have, and people will respond. So if I go to lesson notes, I can do it like this. Then I can read the lesson notes. It talks about the lesson. It talks about what's due. And then I can go to the next thing, which is the questions and conversations. And I can read all the questions and conversations that were for that week. And I can go to the next one. And this is about an orientation to online learning, which you really need to watch. Then it opened a new tab. You can't see that, but I have to go back to the other tab. So it opened that new tab and I can watch it, and then I click to the next one. At any point, if you need to go back or you need to find out where you are, this one is a lesson introduction, but I can go back to lesson 1 like this. And see that I've seen this, I've seen this, I've seen this, and now I'm at the lesson introduction. If I keep going through, then I can click on lesson introduction and keep scrolling past to see all of the content of the class. Now we don't meet as a class. This is what we do. You should go on, read all the content, and then you will have some assignments and some quizzes, but this is the way that you should do them. You could also reach the discussions and the quizzes here on these tabs, but really you need to come and do the content through the content tab so that you can see all of the information that we're learning. Let me know if you have any questions so far, but I think that watching this video and then coming to do the orientation to online learning will really help you know what's going on.